Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Jazzy Time with your host Bailey. How's it going, everybody? I have a huge show and tell. This means so much to me, and I'm so glad I finally get to share it with you guys because it's not like the other nail competition that I compete in. So the other one is like more of a national, so it's just Canada based. This one that I entered is called Nailolympia. And now Nailolympia takes place in different places around the world. Like there's Estonia, there's the UK, so London in the UK, Orlando, Florida, and now there's a Canadian location. And I wasn't able to physically go, but I was able to send in 2 of the hand-in arts pieces that were part of the competition, and yeah, I will actually share with you guys a little clip of the live awards that I watched, and I'll be right back after that clip.
Runway nails. In Division 1, your 3rd place winner is...
Get closer.
No win. Is on the way to win.
This was the Burning Man poster?
Yes.
On Runway Division 1, your 2nd place winner is... Trudy Godet from Canada. Yes. Woo! She's watching on the live.
Trudy mailed hers in to us, and I was super excited to email her back and say we received it, and I hope you're watching live, because there you go.
She was the All right, 1st place in Division 1 in Runway, your winner is... Bailey Clark, Canada.
Yes! That's my girl!
Bailey, are you watching? Is Bailey watching?
Oh yeah, she's watching. She's watching.
This is for you. She also mailed hers in.
Thanks,
so
buddy.
here you go.
I heard you trade out your new toy.
Does that not freaking blow your mind? Oh my God. I cried like a baby. And I'm gonna get emotional now. To know that you're good enough to get a gold in a global competition is like, I can't hold it back. When this came in the mail, oh my gosh, you guys, like, I've never gotten a gold in anything. Sorry. So it does come with a little certificate. So I will do a show and tell of the nails that won the 1st place. And they also sent me one of these too. This is my completing my 1st ever global nail competition. So that is super cool. I do have frames for these because I am like over the moon. So I'm going to pause and I'll angle down and I'll show you guys both of the nail art. So the one I got the gold in, and then the other one is a mixed media box art. And I didn't, where's my score sheet? I didn't place like on the podium, but I did get 6th, which is in my opinion pretty good because I did work really hard on it, but I will show and tell you that in just a moment. So pause, adjust the camera, let's go down here and play show and tell. All right, hey bunny hands. Okay, so this is my mood board for runway nails. This is the gold medal board. So what runway nails is they give you a brief 2 weeks before the competition, and there was a printout. So the theme is Burning Man, and they gave us these 4 inspirational photos, and we have to create nail art based on those photos, and we can explain them however, you know, we want to explain them. I chose to just do like little drawing briefs. So yeah, I'll kind of show you guys. So this one here is this one. I just wanted to kind of make it look like her dress and a little bit of her face and some splashes of color. And I put on this really cool little tassel, and I added these little red beads to just kind of, you know, look like her face and some of the stuff from her dress. This one here, obviously the same as her little outfit here. I did like the drag marble flames, the little message on her shirt, and the faux, it almost looked like newsprint to me, the way I kind of, yeah, it's like faux newsprint. And then this one, I love the way this one turned out. I was actually just like drawn to this right here. So I did like this 3-color drag marble, and I used a little gold embellishment and the sapphire AB crystals, and just kind of put them in the middle, and then used 2 little gold frames to make like an eye, you know, like I would totally wear this on all 10 of my nails. Like that is, I love the way that turned out. I was so proud of that. So yeah, that's what a mood board is basically, is just nail tips on a board. So that was my gold medal. I can't wait to get everything all framed and put up on the wall. I'm so proud. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, so this one originally was supposed to go down to Texas for another competition, but the how did she explain it? Like the dates got moved because they were adding Nail Olympia Canada. So I didn't end up sending this, and I had a video already prepared, and I had a photo diary and everything, and now I unfortunately lost the footage. But I'm glad I get to finally share this with people. So this is called a mixed media box art. For those of you, sorry, I'm just trying to rearrange things here. For those of you that are not familiar with a mixed media box art, so it's like medias are like different ways you can use art. So like there's 3D, there's adding embellishments, there's like the burnishing, hand painted is another. So like those are different types of medias. So yeah, I just want to show you guys this. I was going for like, you know, a rainbow cave and this siren kind of looking over the edge of the water with, you know, a dress made of flowers and, you know, a little fairy fly tree in the back here, and then the little fairy flies flying everywhere. And, you know, just really pretty. And I used like cat's eye for her hair, and I did like silver chrome to give the water more like of a reflective look. And you guys can see there's holes drilled in here. I'm gonna turn this light off just slightly so you guys can see. It's raised because I tried my darndest to hide this battery pack, because I wanted it to literally look like the tree was glowing and full of all these little fireflies that were flying around. Like that was a very difficult feat to get the lights pinpointed where I wanted them, but it still turned out really great in my opinion. So it didn't place on the podium, but I did get 6th, and now I can finally share it with you guys. I am so proud of this. This is like I worked so hard on this, and then I've been like holding on to it for, oh my gosh, it was supposed to go down in June, and then dates changed, and it was, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to pause one more time and adjust the camera, and I will do my little outro. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little show and tell. I am super duper proud of what I've accomplished. I'm definitely going to, my goal is to attend Canada and Orlando next year and at least mail something into Estonia and London if I can't make it to London. But like I'm doing a lot of extra work and like saving so that I can do the traveling, because the Nail Olympias, you can actually, the more you compete in, the more points you get, and then your points go towards the Global Cup. And I don't know if that's like a 5th competition or if it just is a ceremony. I don't know how that works, but I don't know. Now that I've got 1 gold, I'm like, I want to go do more. Like, it just makes me want to work so much harder. And yeah, and so that was my show and tell. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I do have, and I'm going to schedule them all so that they all come up on their proper days. Unlike Nailoween, I have 25 days of Nailmas on the way. Some are a little more advanced, some are easy, but I am working on those beautiful little Christmas designs for you guys. So yes, click, comment, like up this video, subscribe, share with the universe. Follow me on Instagram at bc_jazzy_time. And I'm gonna put this stuff up on the wall. I hope you guys all stay tuned. Thank you guys for your support and stay jazzy.